Hello guys, I am your host or instructor. My name is Vargang Panchal and you are watching this CBT on AS Network Zone YouTube channel. Today in this CBT I am going to demonstrate you how to install VMRC tool. Basically VMRC stands for VMware Remote Console. VMRC tool provide console access and client device connections to VMs on remote host. You will need to download this installer before you can launch the external VMRC application directly from a VMware vSphere or vRealize automation web client. This tool is very lightweight to manage your virtual machine, and also this tool is available for Windows, Mac and Linux operating system. And download link of VMRC tool is given in this CBT description. Let's move for hands-on lab. So this is my client PC from where I am managing my ESXi host, and in future I will configure and manage vCenter server also. So on same client PC I am going to deploy VMRC tool. Let's do this step by step. So here already I have downloaded VMRC tool on my desktop. You can see over here it is in compressed format. So for deploying this, first of all I will have to uncompress this so that I can get my binary files. Let me right click on this and click on extract here. And now here you will get your installation binary file. You will have to run this setup. Just double click on this. And now you can see VMRC installation wizard is open, by which you can install your VMRC tool. So let me click on next. Accept the license agreement. Click on next. So this is a path where it will save our installation files. If you want to change this location, you can click on change button. Otherwise click on next. And here you will get two checkboxes. First checkbox is related. If you want to check your product updates on a startup, you can select this option. Second checkbox is if you want to join the community of VMware Customer Experience Improvement Program, then you can select this. So in my lab environment, I am going to select both. Click on next and click on install button. This installation process can take little bit time, and it's successfully done. Click on finish button. After installation of VMRC tool, you will not get any icon on your desktop. For that you will have to open your web browser. So in my computer system I have installed Mozilla Firefox. So let me open this. And also let me hit the IP address of my ESXi host, which is 192.168.10.101. Press enter and enter over here your ESXi host credentials. Click on login button. And here click on virtual machines. And here select your virtual machine so that you can manage your virtual machine via VMRC tool. Click on console button. And there you can see last option is download VMRC. If you will click on this option, then this link will automatically redirect you on VMware portal, by which you can download your VMRC tool. But in my hands-on lab, I have already downloaded this VMRC tool, and also I have installed this tool. So there is no need to click on this option. Here we are going to select second last option, which is launch remote console. And here you will get this pop-up message. Click on open link. So now you can see certificate warning message over here, because I am not using any certificate authority server in my hands-on lab. So I am going to ignore this message. For that I will have to click on connect anyway. Here enter your ESXi host credentials. Click on connect. Now you can see your virtual machine is running inside your VMRC tool. This is purely very lightweight, by which you can manage your virtual machine. Thank you for watching this CBT on AS Network Zone YouTube channel. If you really like this CBT, click on like button and also comment us which section you like most, or if you have any query you can also comment us.